Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ice bin to pump drain hose in your ice machine, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply to the appliance. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or cabinet. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Release the screw clamps securing the drain hose to the ports on the ice bin and the drain pump. Pull the old hose free. Install the new drain hose by attaching one end to the ice bin port and the opposite end to the drain pump port. Secure it with the clamps. Reinstall the access panel. Move the appliance back into place. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your ice machine should be ready for use.